Your new Panamera comes with a new assistance system control stalk. It's a little different than our previous models. To turn on your assistance systems, hit the button on the end of the stalk. This will bring up a couple of displays, one in your instrument cluster and one here in the PCM. If you would like to cycle through the different modes, hit the button on the end again and it will cycle through the different modes on the instrument cluster. If you would like to adjust these modes, like say for instance turn off the speed limits, or turn off the route, or possibly turn off lane keeping, you can do so on this particular menu. After a few seconds, that menu will disappear. If you would like to make another adjustment, just press the button on the end of the stalk one more time and it will come back up again. Now while driving down the road, you can set the cruise control by pushing down on your assistance system stalk. To increase your cruise control by 1 mile an hour, you push up by 1, and you push up and hold for an increase of 5 mile an hour increments. To slow down, you pull down for 1 mile an hour, and then you hold down past the detent for a 5 mile an hour decrease. If you would like to cancel your cruise control, you push the stalk forward. And if you would like to resume a previously set cruise control, you pull back to resume. Another button on the bottom of the assistance system stalk will also turn off lane keeping. Push the button for a couple of seconds to turn off, and a quick button push on the bottom will turn it back on. You can also adjust the distance between you and the vehicle in front of you. You do so by pushing up on this rocker switch. Each push up on this rocker switch will push the vehicle further away from you. There are 5 different settings. If you would like for the vehicle in front of you to be closer, you can pull down the same number. You now know how to operate your driver assistance system stalk in your new Panamera.